This is something very, very interesting. A long time ago back when I was in a gothic band, Genitalia and the Guff, I took on the name of Cydonia. Cydonia. The way I ended up copywriting the name is I changed my SAG name, Screen Actors Guild name, from Diana Marks to Cydonia. Just something about that. Now, one of my commentators wanted me to look up the Lost Book of Inky. Now it's all starting to make sense, maybe. I don't know. Like he said, there are no coincidences, so I'll just play just the very beginning. I think that's all I can deal with right now. Alright, here we go. Due to a loss of a friend. Alright, here we go.
This is the introduction. Some 445,000 years ago, astronauts from another planet came to Earth in search of gold. Splashing down in one of the Earth's seas, they waded ashore and established Iridium, home in the faraway. In time, the initial settlement expanded to a full-fledged mission Earth, with a mission control center, a spaceport, mining operations, and even a way station on Mars. And there's lots of evidence of that. I mean, you know, it absolutely is, to me, no coincidence. And anybody wants to make you believe it's a coincidence is a liar. That the original area of what is now Iraq, formerly Mesopotamia, was called, before it was Mesopotamia, was called Cydonia. Sorry, I had a brain fart there for a minute. And the area also on Mars where the face was found is also on Cydonia. Coincidentally enough, both places are also located on the 33rd degree parallel. Yes, you heard me right. Ancient Mesopotamia was, or is also, Iraq, also located on the 33rd degree parallel, formerly known as Cydonia. Cydonia on Mars, where the face is located, is also on the 33rd degree parallel. As we talked about earlier with 33, no coincidence, ladies and gentlemen. So, you know, I gotta say the idea of the way station thing, definitely a lot of evidence to support that.
Well, that looks like a good book. We're gonna have to see about doing. This came off of 1776's Back, his channel. Alrighty then. How bizarre. I guess there are no coincidences, because I ended up buying something like 100 acres off on eBay on Mars. So we're not far from Mariners Ridge or something. Not sure. I just found the title again yesterday. Oh, it's all connected, I guess, somehow. I guess it'll just all connect like a puzzle. Alright, let's do on with the show. Very interesting. And I'd like to thank 4565254. We'll have to check his channel out. Yes, 456525FUL. Wondering if I'm saying it right. Anyone pronounce it some other way? Yeah, let me know. Shout out to him. Shout out to Sue Ortiz. There you go. Shout out to you. Hope everyone's doing fine out there. Well, on with the show now. Reminds me of something out of, that might be Cloud Atlas Part 2. Alrighty. Very strange. I guess my life's very strange. For the record, I'm Diana, and today is July 1st, 2013, and here are your news updates for today. Alrighty then, let's first go into the breaking news and see if we see anything there. We'll go into, I thought we just went into it, we'll go back into it. Let's see what we got going on here. Breaking news. Bad weather all over the place. That I noticed last night. Yes. Everything very slow. Alright. Heads up, I guess BART is on strike. So heads up on that. Let's see what else we got going on. Alright, maybe not much going on. We'll try, here we go. Tropical Storm Dahlia Advisory 8 issued. Dahlia straightens while it begins to move away from the Mexican coast. That was 40 minutes ago. What else is going on? Very slow. Let's see if we got any weather. I know that there was 19 firefighters that died in the fire that's going on in Colorado. That's not on here. Let's see. No. Alright. Oh, tornado warning issued for Essex and Middlesex counties in Massachusetts until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. That was an hour ago. Alright, moving on. Let's go to the regular stuff we normally look at. Report on. Well, my weather, you can hear the thunder coming in the background. Let's go to the watchers watching the world. Strong explosion and ash emissions at Fuego Volcano, Guatemala. Also, extreme heat wave to hit U.S. Expect temperatures above 48 centigrade. Wow. Alright, we knew that. And then it's going to start talking about how will Comet Ison perform. Alright. Let's see what else we got going on here. I guess there's not a lot of news lately. It's hard for me to do this until I gotta get internet. I'm sorry. It's so hard to go back and forth in the middle of a thunderstorm. Let's see here. Alright, Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Let's see if there's anything new there. That was in Arizona. 19 firefighters died battling raging Arizona fire. Okay, so it was in Arizona. Sorry about that. It wasn't even listed on the, I was looking on it. I think that'd be up there. Planets megaquakes cause volcanoes in subduction zones to sink. Alrighty then. What else we got here? Picture of an ominous. Let's see. Let's go on to E&E News, Energy News. We'll see what we can do with that one. Okay. E&E News. Here we news. Energy news. And I will be attaching. Things are happening today. Found out about a death of a good friend. Actually, I was gonna maybe go up there. So I was just told about that, an hour and a half ago. Massive heart attack. Okay, we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it everywhere. This cesium. All right. July 1st, reality in Fukushima. Actual conditions within crippled reactors remain unknown. Japan likely unable to cope if there's another similar accident. That's coming out of Asahi. Also, what's going on there? One moment. Hang tight. I don't know what's going on here. Where did that come from? My goodness. Things are going crazy. Someone just came up on Planet X. I didn't even hit the button. How weird is that? Alright. Kyoto, melted fuel from Fukushima reactor is the highly lethal mixed uranium-plutonium oxide MOX unit to be last to attempt fuel removal, so says new plan. Groundwater closest to ocean is most radioactive at Fukushima plant. Official, highly likely it's leaked into Pacific levels, soared in sea over the last few months. It's cumulative. It's just going to keep building up. Whole ocean's glowing probably by now. Over there, Pacific Ocean. It's going to spread around the world. Let's go into U.S. Canada. Okay, now that I don't know what's going on there. I don't need Facebook. Wacky stuff going on. I wonder if someone hijacked my computer. Let's see here. Okay, today, U.S. nuclear plant shuts down after malfunction. Residents reported loud noise. Saturday, workers were trying to solve problem. State will be issuing press release. Also, let's see. On the 28th, Fed's U.S. plutonium facility at risk of collapsing. Potential for very high offset dose of consequences. Alright, that's it. I'm just going to post this news. That's your local update. Please watch all your weather outside. Stay away from nuclear plants. Something's going on. And shout out to all my commentators. That was kind of cool. About that Cydonia thing. I gotta listen to the whole thing now. I wish I had internet at home. I'll listen to it, I guess, somewhere else for right now. You take care. Always be prepared. Let me get rid of this. And I'll see you on the flip side. Take care. Be safe. Be prepared for anything.